In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations with Brevo. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple automated workflow, customize each step, and activate it so it runs on its own. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Automations. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your automated workflows will live. Inside the automations area, look for the button that says Create an Automation and click it. A pop-up window will appear. You'll see an option to start from scratch, but to make things easier, we're going to use one of the pre-built automation templates. Scroll down through the pop-up until you see the list of pre-built automations. Pick one that fits what you want to do. In this example, choose a welcome message automation. Once you click it, the pop-up will refresh to show you a preview of what that automation looks like. If it matches what you need, click Create Automation to open it in the editor. Now you're inside the automation editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the steps that make up your automation laid out in order. On the left side, there's a toolbar. Click on Builder in that left toolbar. Here, you'll see all the different elements you can add to your automation, grouped under 3 tabs: Triggers, Actions, and Rules. Triggers define how the automation starts, actions define what happens, and rules control the logic and conditions. To add any of these to your workflow, simply drag and drop the item into the position you want in your automation steps. To customize a step, just click on it in the editor. Its settings panel will open on the left. For this welcome message example, there are 3 basic steps: a contact added to list, trigger, a delay, and an email send. Click the first step, the trigger. On the left, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose which contact list will start this automation. Pick your list, then click Save. Next, click the delay step. Here you can adjust how long Brevo should wait before moving to the next action. You can set this in months, days, hours, or minutes, depending on how quickly you want your welcome email to go out. Make your adjustments, then click Save. Finally, click the Send an Email step. In the left panel, you can edit the email content, subject line, preview text, send an email, and send a name. This is a great place to personalize your greeting, introduce your brand, and set clear expectations. When you're happy with the email, click Save. If you need more control over how contacts move through the automation, click Settings in the left toolbar. Here you'll find options for contact re-entry, exit conditions, and restart conditions. Re-entry controls whether a contact can enter the same automation more than once. Exit conditions define when a contact should be removed from the workflow, and restart conditions let you control if and how they can go through it again. Adjust these based on how often you expect people to qualify for this automation. Once everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see options to test or activate the automation. Testing is useful to confirm that your timing, messages, and logic all work as expected without affecting real contacts. When you're confident everything is set up correctly, click Activate Automation. From that point on, Brevo will automatically handle the workflow for you. And that's it. You've created an automation in Brevo, customized the steps, configured the settings, and activated it so it runs in the background while you focus on the rest of your work.